Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to present how to install Python, the latest version, and the PyCharm IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So basically let's get started. First we need to go on python.org website. So when we arrive on that website, we need to go to downloads. For me it's Windows, so you have it here, download for Windows. You click on it, it downloads the .exe file, and it's the latest version. Right now it's 3.9.4, basically 3.9, and add Python 3.9 to path. So I click on that just to make sure that everything gets installed and the global variables have Python reference in them. So basically now it's installing the Python interpreter so that the system is able to run Python code. Okay, now that the installation is finished, we see here that the setup was successful, and that's it. We can close. So in order to verify if Python got installed correctly, we can go cmd command prompt and type python space -- version, and it gives you the version of Python that was installed on this device. So now that we know Python is installed correctly, we can download PyCharm. So when you go on jetbrains.com/pycharm, we get to that web page, and here we need to click on download and the free open source community edition for Python, and that's it. The .exe file is getting downloaded. Okay, now that the download is completed, we can run the .exe file and install PyCharm IDE. So basically the process is straightforward. You click next. Here it shows the location is going to install. Create shortcut on desktop, create association.py, add open folder as project, add launcher dir to the path. No need for that. So that's it. Next, install. Now it's installing. Okay, now that the installation process is completed, we can run PyCharm, and we'll set up the interpreter to the one that we just installed and make sure that everything is working correctly. I confirm that they have read and accept. Don't send. It depends on you if you want to send statistics or not. Okay, so that's it. It works. Let's see, customize. What do we have here? Dracula. You see here you have like color themes. Dracula is good. What's high contrast? Oh, I prefer Dracula. Okay, font, key map, Windows, plugins. Okay, we don't need that for now. So just project, let's say new project. So we open new project, and then location. By default, there's a location. Let's say desktop. I'm just gonna put it on desktop. Users, desktop, and I'll create a new folder, my Python projects. So that's where. So here you have an option, new environment, using virtual environment, or previously configured interpreter. So I'm going to use previously configured interpreter, and it's very important because if you install Okay, and here we need to browse and system interpreter here. That's it. So we need to browse and set up system interpreter, and right away it recognizes the interpreter that we just installed in part 1 of this video, the Python 3.9. Okay, perfect. Create a main Py welcome script. Yeah, let's do that. So it's setting up the project. Got it. Okay, here like PyCharm gives you daily tips. So for example, tip of the day, quickly open, not for now. So a quick overview of PyCharm. On the left side you have like the project with the main. By default, Python constructs a function that is called print hi, and that takes name as a parameter, and it prints to the screen the name that was given as a parameter. And here in the main function, so that's the code that is going to run. It uses the print hi function defined here, and it prints with the parameter pycharm. So it's going to say hi pycharm. Let's run that code. So right click here and you can run hi pycharm, and here's the location of the project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the same code but from the command prompt, just to, so cd, we need to go to the location of the fold of the main.py and python main.py hi pycharm. So you see, you can run the Python code, the Python file, either through PyCharm IDE here by doing run, or through the command prompt by using the command python space and the name of the Python script that you want to run. Also, there's the terminal here, so similar to the command prompt, and you can do the same cd, that brings the terminal to the location that where the script, the main.py script is located, and then we do python main.py and it runs the script. So you have terminal, Python console, allow. Here you have a console, so basically you can just do whatever you want. It's Python, so let's say print hi. So print hi, it prints hi. So here you can test some Python commands. So you have the console, packages. So here are the installed packages, but in terminal you can install packages. For example, pip install numpy. Numpy is a package for numeric manipulations. That's it, it installs numpy. So this is in terminal. And run, the run is where we run the, when you do like run, it runs here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If the content is interesting to you, please subscribe and see you in the next video.